Welcome to Saas Pro. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make a Jeopardy game on Canva, step by step, using Canva's built-in quiz feature. Step 1. Open your Canva design and make sure you're logged into your account. Without logging in, you won't be able to use the interactive features. Step 2. Now, click on the template option and search for Presentation Template. You can choose one from the options shown, or start with your own design. Step 3. Next, head over to the demo I've already prepared. As you can see, I've made a few before. Let's walk through how to build it from scratch. Step 4. Click the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the design features you'll need. Now in the search bar, type Quiz and click on it. Step 5. Scroll down until you see the section called Polls and Quizzes. These are the tools we'll use to create our interactive Jeopardy questions. Step 6. Click on any quiz element you like and it will instantly appear on your canvas. This is where the magic starts. Step 7. Now go to the top toolbar and click Edit. This will allow you to customize the quiz. Step 8. You can turn the header on or off and then type your question into the box. Make sure it's clear and to the point. Step 9. Add multiple answer options for your question. These will be the choices for your players. Step 10. To set the correct answer, click the 3 dots on the right and mark the one that's correct. This is how Canva tracks correct and incorrect responses. Step 11. If needed, you can customize the Submit button. You might want to change the text to say something fun or themed. Step 12. To make it match your design, click on the Color section and change it however you want. Make it your own. Step 13. Want to add some animation? Click on the background, then select the Animation button from the top menu and choose the one you like best. Step 14. When you're ready to share, go to the top right corner and click Share. This lets you control how others will see your quiz. Step 15. Choose the View Only option under Public Link. This way, people can interact but not edit your design. Step 16. Click Copy Link to grab the quiz link. This is the one you'll share with your audience or players. Step 17. To check how people are responding, click on the quiz element again and head to the top toolbar. Then, go to the Responses tab to see how everyone answered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more smart tools and tutorials.